question. Second question, so I'm very happy that I wrote them down. So if two men, so you're in a shul, and it's very common thing, right? You're in a shul, and two people are saying Kaddish. So Kaddish is I was saying Kaddish. Yesterday was my grandmother and my uncle Yortzeit, right? So I was saying Kaddish, and sometimes a non-observant Jew would come and start saying Kaddish, right? So the question is asked. So are you allowed to say Amen? So you're not allowed to say Amen unless he did Teshuvah and he said, from now on I'm going to be observant. That's a different story. But until he said that, until he insists on his wicked ways, you're not allowed to say Amen. So when two people, so this question specific question, if the two men are saying Amen, so try to say to, like, in your mind, say like this like non-Shomer Shabbos Jew is saying, whatever, it's like I don't know, wind, whatever. So you listen to that guy voice and answer him Amen. And sometimes it's proper. In the shul where I go, there is one Gabbai. Baruch Hashem, he's been Gabbai, I don't know, for many years. I don't know how old is he, but he's very nice, very, very nice, very strict, very nice. But when he senses that something is wrong, but there is somebody's Shomer Shabbos, because I mean in this neighborhood, when there is a Jewish store, like a big supermarket, so people from that supermarket comes to our minyan. We have a nursing home, people from nursing home, like maybe they're visiting, maybe they're doctors, nurses, like workers on that nursing home, they come to our minyan. So many times we have just visitors, we don't know who these people are, right? And when he senses, and that's what I noticed, right? When there is somebody questionable is going to say Kaddish now, so this guy, he's older man, he does not have parents, so technically there is no problem for him to say Kaddish. So usually if you have your parents alive, try not to say Kaddish, because it's like people say, somebody died in your family, your mother died, right? That's not good. Or your father passed away, not good, right? So, but when he hears this non-Shomer Shabbos starts saying Kaddish, or he knows, of course, right? Gabbai must know. So he starts saying Kaddish alone, and along with him, and we answer to this guy, to this holy Gabbai. I mean, he's holy in this sense. Yes, he's holy. So we're not allowed. If somebody not Shomer Shabbos, and you know that he insists, he came with his car on Shabbos, or you know he's in your neighborhood, he's a wicked person, he's desecrated on Shabbos, and to be a not Shomer Shabbos, you need 10 Jews to know about that person. So maybe I saw him on that Shabbos that he was making barbecue, another person saw him that he was driving this and that. So if 10 people know, so there is it's public desecration. So we cannot count him as a minyan, nothing. Okay, that's the thing. Okay.